Ever wondered how modern farms manage to plant thousands of Hamu seedlings so quickly and efficiently? Get ready to be amazed. Today, we're showcasing a revolutionary piece of agricultural technology, the automatic seedling transplanter. This incredible machine is a game changer, especially for crops like cabbage, lettuce, and other vegetables that require precise spacing. Watch as it effortlessly picks up young plants from trays and gently places them into the soil, perfectly spaced and at the ideal depth. This isn't just about speed, it's about consistency and reducing labor, freeing up farmers to focus on other vital tasks. In an era where food security and efficiency are paramount, such innovations are crucial. This transplanter significantly boosts productivity, minimizes human error, and optimizes crop yield. It's a clear example of how technology is shaping the future of farming worldwide. From traditional methods to high-tech solutions, the evolution of agriculture is truly inspiring. What do you think about this amazing machine? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into modern farming.